Hey guys, I hope you are enjoying your Sunday. Here it's amazing in Sao Paulo. I'm going on a while to a show, Radiohead. If there is some fans in here, check my Instagram. I'll be doing a live and stuff. Anyway, let's jump into the Q&A. Walid Fatmi, great video man. I learned a lot from you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. It means the world for me. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate the support, guys. Seriously. Mark Reyes, good stuff. Thank you, my man. Thank you for watching. Excellent contenu comme d'habitude. Barakallah ala khoya. Zahrianas, thanks. I'm grateful for that. You rocks, guys. Angel Brown, great information as always. Can you please tell me what country did you exclude when you target worldwide on Facebook ads? Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss, for watching and thank you for your question. And well, what I exclude is I might recommend you to exclude African countries. Eventually, leave South Africa because in Africa they don't buy a lot online. The Arab world, because there is cash on delivery, they don't buy online, so you have to give them the item, then they pay you. South America, because it takes a long time to arrive, but it's worth giving it a try because it's solid economies in here. Uh, Also Indonesia, because I had like shitload and tons of chargebacks. It was a pain in the ass with Indonesia. So be careful with Indonesia a little bit. Eventually Mexico also, I've got some frauds from there. And other than this, you're good to go. Try all the countries. There is potential everywhere. A best pay. When you say customer has to send it back, do you mean back to China? Will the customer be shocked? Man, if the customer gets shocked, he will be shocked when he receive it from China. Like, what the fuck is this coming from China? So sending it back to China won't be a problem, but they should send it back to the address that you have on your store, like the address of your house or your office, or eventually if you have a mailbox in the US, they can send it back there. But what for if you are not there to get it? And if it is a damaged product, what to do with it anyway? Like, I don't know. Hamza Adil started telling me that they don't accept Payoneer because it's a virtual bank account. So what's your opinion? Man, why did you ask them? You don't have to ask them. Of course they're gonna say we don't accept virtual bank account, blah blah blah. You just go connect it, do your things, make your money, be happy, everyone's happy, and move on. Don't go to Stripe and tell me, hey, I am connecting the virtual bank account that you don't accept. So hey, do you accept it? It doesn't make any sense. Like shooting your feet. Muad Radwan. Awesome content as always. I have a couple questions. I would be grateful if you answer them. Well, the question is, man, this is a lot of questions. Vamos ver. Let's see. How do you import product to Spreadsheet? What if? I don't work with multiple supplier. I work with one supplier and I build a relationship with this one supplier and I take one winning product and I squeeze it the maximum. All the big numbers you see me making, $100,000 per day, $10,000 per day, it's one single product. I prefer to focus on one thing, one product. I squeeze it the maximum, and eventually I ask the supplier to bring some other product that he have similar to the one I'm selling, and I list them and I try to sell them too as upsells. So dealing with one seller, you build some relationship. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, and you don't have to deal with many. Like you focus on the most important stuff. How do you send spreadsheet via email? I send it via email or via Skype or because I'm all the time on WhatsApp or Skype with my suppliers. Do you buy bulk or you pay every time you send spreadsheet? Every time I send spreadsheet, but I send it because I'm buying bulk. Like every spreadsheet is like 200, 300, 400 products. So every day my virtual assistant gather all the products and send this to the supplier and he fulfill the orders. How do you pay the supplier? In the beginning, I pay with PayPal, and after that, as the trust is built, we start using. I recommend him to open Payoneer. because there is no fees when you send money from Payoneer to Payoneer, and the 5% that PayPal takes, it's better having it as a profit. How do you handle refund with your suppliers? Do they pay you back? Well, for the refund, like my virtual assistant gather all the refunds that we get, and once in a week we send the list to the supplier, and he send back items to the customers. Eventually, an item and some little gift, little present, like an item of $1 or something. But that is cool. And can't you say problem? Man, those guys are fucking amazing. They are a friend of mine from Casablanca. They play some good rock. Thanks for commenting, by the way. Can I use Alidropship plugin instead of Shopify? Man, I did a little research, and this Alidropship, it's a plugin for WordPress. Man, I will avoid this. Shopify have everything set up for you. If you do this plugin, just the server and the hosting and everything for your store, it's gonna be like $29 that you pay for Shopify, and they have everything done for you. Without talking about all the problems that you're gonna have later, like you will have some stuff you need a developer coming and fixing this, fixing, like I have another business and it's based on WordPress, and like, man, sometimes I find myself spending $500, $600 only on the developer just to fix some little bugs, make things look better and stuff like that. While Shopify, everything is smooth. Go with Shopify. I highly recommend it. Let's check the other questions. By the way, guys, if you find this useful, don't forget to leave me a thumb up. I will appreciate it. And Shiger Naufel, thank you. Gracias, obrigado. Mohammed, thank you, very useful. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Victoria, amazing as one of, yeah, this tool, she's talking about Dropship Spy. You will find the link in here. This tool is fucking ninja. Thank you, Adil. Good to have the confirmation. Yeah, man, go for it. Dropship Spy is the shit. Seriously. You are the best, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Sashin, hey, Adil, thank you for the knowledge sharing. Thank you for watching. Can you tell us about the start, approaching supplier in the initial phase of the store? Like, what should I... Well, man, I have a full model about that. By the way, if you didn't jump, guys, on Ecom Elite Accelerator, you should consider it, because I'm raising the price, because I'm loading it with some more content, and yeah, you should not miss it as long as it's... You will find the link also in here, in case interested. So, and there is a full model, like, just about this thing, and some rock solid process. But just to let you know how to do this, like, you have to write a template mail and you send it to as much supplier as possible that you find on AliExpress that sell the item, and you work with the most responsive ones and the ones with good reviews, of course, and with good rating, like 4.6, 4.7, and yeah, and what should I write? You write, hey, we are a company, and we are selling similar products to the ones that you have, and we think that if we start selling your products, it's gonna double our money, and we're gonna bring you some good business and things like that. You have to talk like a real business. Well, great stuff. Thank you, Adil. The best buy tools. Oh man, hands down, Dropship Spy. Shop Genius, I've tried it, I liked it, but after a week I noticed that the data was repeating itself. I don't know, but I know that the developers, they are working hard on that and trying to improve it and everything. But Dropship Spy, like, they hand to you the winning product, the targeting, everything, like, you have everything. I was like surprised when I've seen my products listed in there. Like, it was really mind blowing for me. Uh, Again, hands down, Dropship Spy. Man, sorry, I don't know how to spell your name. Uh, Adil, first, thanks a lot for watching. And I would like to know, what do you think about Facebook ads? Set basic on conversion. I saw a lot of YouTubers recommending it, but in this video you said add an engagement. Yeah, I said it. There's well, it is different to type. Thank you so much. Thanks to you for the question. And yeah, I said this. I thought always with engagement, you know, why? Just to get some engagement on the post, so there is people interacting and everything. And then after that, I move to the WC, and I keep engagements because it gives a good score to the post, and the CPM gets lower. Because Facebook see that people are engaging. It's not like when you have a post and you have like 2 or 3 likes, you're gonna see that your CPM gonna go to the roof. So having some engagement, ad sets going, and at the same time WC to bring the sale. Because engagement is not for bringing sales. It's gonna bring you sales, but it's not the objective. The objective is just having likes, shares, comments, and stuff. While this one, the WC is like, go bring me that money. And so better having like 2 ad sets for engagement running, and in the parallel at the same time the WC, website conversion. I fucking love you too. Why will you have to edit the video? Aren't they copyright? It's not that they are copyright free. Imagine somebody take this video and you use the same video, and after some asshole come using the same video and flag it to Facebook and say, hey, they are copying my content. Man, you'll be screwed. And it's a pain in the ass. Like, it happened to me to one post. It had like 30,000 likes, and I don't know how many, 5,000 shares and something like that. And some asshole went and flagged it to Facebook, and I lost the post. And the post is an asset. At this level, it's become an asset. Like, this is like, I don't know, this is like the first contact you have with the customer. They come, they see thousands of comments and everything, and then you lose this because you didn't edit the video. I think it's worth it taking it and making some editing, and you're so no one bother you with that. Damn, bro, that's awesome. Thank you. Alright guys, that's it for this Q&A. I hope that you found it useful, and if you didn't join yet Ecom Elite Accelerator, you'll find below a link. Jump in it before it go. The price is going up. You'll find like student results, you'll find some video showing you around and everything, and yeah, basically that's it for this video, and see you on the next one. Have a great weekend. Cheers.